Okay, so I got this towards the end of October 2020, and I never had a problem. Worked every single day. I only turned it on when it was super cold, but obviously towards the end of, towards mid-November, it was very cold in that room. And I would keep it on the low and sometimes on the high, depends. Throughout the day, it would turn off, and I would turn it on and off as needed. The feature where you can adjust the temperature never really worked for me. I thought I was doing something wrong, but I won't get into that. Regardless, I really did think it was great and it was working fine. So that was towards the end of October. Today is the beginning of, today's March 2nd, 3rd, and it just completely stopped. I couldn't figure it out. Now, the sad part is that I tried to see if I can open it. So I took out the screws. I thought, okay, maybe it's just too dusty. I'll try to clean it out. That didn't work because the sensor here, this is a sensor, and it doesn't allow you to take it apart. It kind of holds something together in the middle. So basically, you can't open it to clean it. And if that's the problem...
So, here is our little broken heater, and I took it apart to see if I could figure out what's wrong with it. And when I took it apart, you can see some of the housing here is melted. This housing here sits right above the heating element, and only had it for about I've been using it about a month. I've had it for a few months, but started using it about a month ago when it started getting cold. And you can see, very dangerous. You should remove this from Amazon. Obviously not a safe item to sell.
The heater is very small. My hand really is not that big, and it blows mostly down. Sometimes it'll blow up, but you have to sit it up on something. Like I got it on this stool for it to actually blow out.
It doesn't work. So you know what it is? If I turn it off.
Still running good as new, 2 years and a month later.
To be a boon to mankind. It was a